Hello everyone, Mr. Teacher here. Welcome to my video. Today's video is about common expressions. Make sure you watch the video until the end and give it a like. Fair dinkum. Genuine, real, or honest. The wheels are spinning in my head. I'm thinking really hard about something. Delirious. Being extremely confused. Word up. I understand. You are right. Like a house on fire. Two people really like each other and become friends quickly. Touché is used when someone makes a smart point in a discussion or argument. The devil is in the details. If you ignore small problems, it can lead to big problems later on. Tiger Mom, a very strict mother who pushes her children to achieve high levels of success. Ingenious, very smart or clever. You scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. If you help me, I'll help you back. Dive in head first. Start something very quickly without much preparation. Through the grapevine. Hearing news and gossip indirectly from others. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Your energy and attitude attracts similar people into your life. Go against the grain. To do something differently by challenging the tradition. Dance with the devil. Engaging in a risky or morally questionable activity. Goody two-shoes is someone who is overly well-behaved in a way that can irritate people. Beaming means smiling brightly with happiness. Fiend is a strong and intense desire for something. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. I really appreciate it if you like this video. Comment what content would you like for your next lesson. Until next time, stay safe.